Tesla. I only hit it once, now she thinking she special.
I put the press on these niggas, ayy. Used to sell the press to these niggas, man. Gon' dress like these niggas, man. That shit hoe, why she necking on my niggas, man. Look, I'm getting paid like 20 or better. She wanna fuck on me just cause I get it wetter. Screaming out, stop a baby girl, I ain't gon' let her. I'm screaming out, free my niggas, free that young nigga catch her. I've been rolling hella hard, I've been popping them Teslas. I've been rolling hella hard, I've been popping them Teslas. Damn, I've been popping the beans, I've been popping hella popping. What the fuck you mean? Smoking dope, spend $1,000 all on my jeans. When you popping hella popping, you can do all these things. You can do all these things. When you popping hella popping, you can do all these things.
If the club wanna book me, I need 20 or better. If a nigga wanna book